my channel. So I'm finally uploading a new video. Last year was a very bad time for me. I went through a lot of stuff happened which I don't really want to talk about. It's really negative. So I'm feeling more positive, and this year my New Year's resolution is to actually upload more videos and take time and sort of work on my channel a bit more and hopefully upload regularly. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my Deceit makeup. I've been uploading a lot on TikTok recently because I'm a cosplayer and I've been doing some Sides cosplays. So I'm going to show you guys how I do the makeup side of things today. And I'm ready in the costume. I don't have the proper costume for Deceit, so I thought I'd pick out this yellow sort of jumper. So I'm going to show you guys how I do the makeup. I'm not the best at makeup, but you know, it's an attempt and I'm kind of happy with it. So we're going to get started. So we're going to need a very small brush, and I have a range of brushes here. I've got it all piled onto the windowsill because I tried to film in my room and the sun's way too bright. So I've got a range of brushes which I use for Deceit. So we're going to take a very tiny little brush like that, and we're going to draw on the red line that goes down here. So the palette I'm using is the Revolution Beautiful Darkness. This is for the Halloween, and I quite enjoy the colours in this. This is a really good palette for Deceit. So I'm going to go into red, which is called Demon, and we're going to sketch out the line from here to here. So now we've got our line, we're going to go in with Spirit, which is like a whitish based shade, and we're just going to highlight the red line. So we're going to go, and I'm following my cosplay picture. So next up we're going to work on the eye, and I'm just going to take this fluffier brush and go straight back into Demon again. So tap into there. And we're literally going to go. And don't worry about fallout because we're going to sort of cover that up with the green. Okay, so I blended out the shadows. I just mainly applied it around here, just sort of deepen it up a little bit. So I'm going to work on my eyebrows because I always do my eyebrows for this side, and I just comb my eyebrow on the snake side. So I'm going to fill my eyebrows in. And I'm just using a brown shadow from the Flawless 4 palette. So with this side I'm going to add some winged eyeliner and curl my lashes. We're going to curl lashes for this side, but it's not finished yet. So I'm going to do that off camera because I can't do winged eyeliner on camera. And I have tutorials on my channel anyway to show you guys how I do my eyeliner, but I'm going to take two of my favourite eyeliners, and that is the Natural Collection liquid eyeliner, and I use this just to draw out the wing and to draw the shape, and to fill it in I use the Mua Matte Black eyeliner just to fill it in because it's easier. Okay, so I went a step ahead and covered my lashes, put mascara on, but now it's actually time to do the green scales. So special tool that we need is one of these, which is a wig cap. So we're going to put the wig cap on like so, and we're actually going to put this over our face like this, and it's going to look really weird, but trust me, this is how you do the scales. Big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go in with Torment and Poison a little bit. My plan was for the big fluffy brush, but that's not working, so it looks like I'm going to take some time and do this. And you just want to keep this over your face until you've done the scales. So this process is a little time consuming if you haven't got a big fluffy brush to sort of apply the colour with. So the other palette that I'm using is the MUA Winter Forest palette, and we're going to need that dark green right there, which is actually an aqua shade, but I'm going to call it green. So I'm almost done with this. I know this Deceit makeup looks a little intense, and Thomas doesn't have his as intense as this, but I kind of like that. I like that it's intense and it's quite theatrical, and I think we are almost done. Yes, we are done. So we're gonna take this off. We go up like this. Here we are. So I didn't get too close to this, so you can always add colour on here if you want to. And that's it. So now I'm going to curl our lashes this side. So I'm then going to take my favourite mascara, and you guys know this is my favourite mascara and I use this every single time. And this is the Black Mascara Volume and Length by Derma V10, I think. And I got a stash of these, so if one runs out I always have a spare. And I'm going to get the hat, and I will be right back with the reveal. So I've added this hat that I've had for years. Excuse a little bit of the dustiness on it, but I don't know where I got it from. Oh, peacocks. And I've got one fang. So I made the fangs out of Polymorph Plastic, and if I'm talking weird, it's because the fang in my mouth. It doesn't like to stay in properly. So Polymorph Plastic makes excellent fangs. If you'd like a tutorial on how I made my fangs, then let me know and I'll make that happen for you guys. It's very, very simple. So yes, this is the finished look. As you can see, I dyed my hair purple. I had that done quite recently. So yeah, that is the finished look. I'm sorry this tutorial was quite long, but I wanted to go in depth with this tutorial and show you guys how I do everything. That's it, and I hope you enjoyed. So don't forget to leave a like, comment down below on any videos you want to see on my channel next, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell icon to let you guys know when I upload. And my social media links are in the description down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.